So yeah, as I drop that log, it looks like I basically broke this here. It looks bent, so it's leaking anyway. So I'm going to pull all this off, and I guess I'll be getting a new hose, I think. So yeah, I'll get it set up and we'll just get this off. So yeah, I've bent the fitting. So that's that. So this piece here. So you can see how it's hard up against this face here, and then you got this little gap here. So it's bent over. So let's go and get another one. And okay, so I got a new fitting. They didn't have the exact same fitting, so this is the original one. They had to make it up out of two fittings, so but it should be fine. I'm sure it'll work. So let's get it on and let's get back to work. Well, it's not perfect by any means, but it's a lot closer than it was. So let's get that bolted back on and see if the machine is good. everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. So it looks like the excavator isn't leaking, so we're good. Now I've moved that log. We all look good in there. Don't see any fresh oil coming out. So it looks good up there as well. Okay, so what we've got on the mill is a London plane log. So it's about 10 feet long, give or take, and it's about 28 inches diameter, give or take as well. So, but at this end we've got like obviously 4 branches that have come off, so it's gonna, I expect there should be some sort of stuff going on here. And then we've also got an old limb which is busted out there. I should probably clean that dirt out. So yeah, this is what we got on. So the black is, it's funny, it's really flaky, and yeah, it's definitely it's a noticeable bark, that's for sure. A recognizable bark, sorry, I should say. Okay, well, let's get milling, eh, and see what we got. All right, I'll get you guys set up. Okay, so that was starting to rock a little bit there, so I think what we'll do, we'll turn it over and we'll get a nice flat, turn it over onto the flat, so then it should be nice and solid. And then we got some of that fleck coming in here, so yeah, I think it's going to be good, fingers crossed as always. But yeah, let's get this rolled over onto the flat, and then yeah, let's get it slabbed up. Okay, getting some nice figure and grain and everything come through, especially on here where that old limb occlusion. Yeah, looking good. Not seeing much of the flecking though. A little bit here, but a little bit around there and there, but not too much. But okay, let's keep cutting and see what we get. Okay, I like this one. It's got a nice bit of colour and grain in it. Yeah, that is looking real nice. With all the limbs coming in, got all this bark inclusion. An old limb there. Yeah, it's looking really nice. I'm just wondering whether what I should have done really is actually leave these a bit and let them sort of spalt a bit, because all this darker stuff here is all, and all here is obviously all at the cut ends. When you've got like into really good solid wood, it's pretty goldeny yellowy. But I'm wondering whether you should let it sit for longer. So if anybody knows that about London plane, then please let me know if you should let it sit for longer in log form, and whether that helps pull more colors out or darkens it up or whatever. But I'm really liking the look of that slab, that's for sure. So that's all milled up, so all milled and stacked. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 slabs out of that at 2.5 inches thick. Really pleased with how some of those slabs look. They look really nice. Not like, all my stickers are pretty well in line all along, except for the end, just the way it worked out. I'm not overly happy about that, but that will do for now anyway. And then here we just basically got 3 pieces. So we got these 2 pieces and this piece. These other couple of pieces are from a different walnut log. But yeah, that's it. I think we're about to get some rain by the looks of it, so dark clouds are coming. All right, well, like I say, thanks again for watching, really appreciate it, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.